This is a laptop stand with a built-in 9-in-1 dock down here for USB, SD, and other devices, HDMI also. The brand sent this over to me to check out for free, so I'm not being compensated from this video, but you do get to see what I think about this and see what you get in the box. Let's check it out. So it comes like this, and it just extends out like so. These things fold down. These are kind of the feet that hold the laptop into place. And then it comes up like this, and you've got these two pieces where you can adjust the different levels of height, however high you want this tilted up or down. Comes with the user manual, comes with this carrying case, this little cloth case, and that's it. Oh, and it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable that I'll plug into my computer in just a second. Now, the adapter stuff that you get built in here, you got a couple HDMI ports, you got a couple USB-A slots. These are 3.1 USB-A's. You got the SD and then this TF card. I don't know what that is for actually. What kind of card is this? Do you use that? And then it's got 3 USB-C slots right here. Right here is where the PC goes in, and then you can plug in extra devices right into there. Let me show you what it looks like in practice. You just fold this up, and I'll actually keep it kind of tilted all the way down like this. Can bring in my laptop over like so, sits into place nicely. And then this guy plugs into the USB-C slot down here. Easier to do this when you don't already have your computer on top of it. All right, and then I'll plug in one of the HDMI cables over here so that my external monitor will come on. And now I've got my desktop on my MacBook extended up to my second monitor. So this is a nice form factor. This will work pretty well. It's not a whole lot bigger than the size of my laptop itself. This is a 14-inch MacBook Pro, so you can see size-wise it fits on there really nicely. If you do have a smaller computer, you can move this inward, although it's probably going to be most secure if you've got this extended all the way out. I don't see many computers being less wide than this screen right here. This is about as long as an iPad might be. So that's it. Very simple device here. It'll fit nicely off to the side of your desk, and these feet do keep it. They've got little rubber pads there, so it does feel like it's going to keep it pretty securely in place and not slide off or anything. Pretty cool. Thanks again for the brand for sending this over. There's the slots again that you get with this 9-in-1 USB laptop dock. Thanks for checking out the video. I've got affiliate links down below for this product as well as the other ones that I review. If you're interested in anything, I do appreciate it if you would go through those links. It helps keep this free for you, and it supports the channel at the same time. So thank you for the support and for the view. And if you really like this, go ahead and click subscribe to the channel. Appreciate that. Hope you have a great one.